Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and get your motorcycle license in California. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will simply start our video. So for the matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to access your browser and type in dmv.ca.gov/portal/ and you will get to the official website where you can simply apply for it. Afterwards, go over this driver's license and ID cards. Simply tap on this drop down menu and tap on this permits. Here in the section you will be able to get the instructions permits. First of all, I will suggest you guys to simply read all through all of this information given right over here. Once you have done so, you will be able to apply for California instruction permit under 18. There is a specific steps for the people who are under 18. All you have to go ahead, tap on this plus, and you will get the information. You can simply at least 15 and more, have a certificate of completion, enrollment, etc. You need to have the enrollment, which you can go to driver education and get some, and then you have to complete the California driver's license or ID card application as well permanently. For you have to access it. If you are under 18, simply come over here, browse through all of the steps and read carefully and try to get all the documents as it has shown here that you require. If you are around 21 age, older than 18, all you have to do is afterwards simply go ahead on top and tap on this driver's license ID card application. Here in this section, if you scroll down to the bottom, you will find this before you begin, etc. Make sure to read these articles as well. All of this will be really come handy to you, so make sure to be careful with it. And then simply tap on the start application. And this is kind of a really easy method. Here in this driver's license ID application, you simply gotta complete the information as it asks. Simply go ahead, choose a language, tap on next. Now all you have to do is create a DMV account, add in your information and create yourself a DMV account. Come over here, and once you have completed all of the steps, you will be able to apply for the driver's license, and once it's granted, you will be done. That is a simple way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.